Hey guys, this is Grandis here. I'm just going to be showing you how to tape my stick video, how I tape my stick, and probably a few tricks that you can use. First, I'm going to be taping my blade, and also my knob. This is my AI7 connected down, half black. I don't use it anymore. Whatever, I guess. Just keep it in mind as well. And yeah, you've probably seen it you've already seen it from my twig video, so it's really half black AI7. You know what I mean. Anyway, for the toe here, I just did this. This is my way of doing it. I take 2 pieces of tape, cut them, scissors, and put 2 pieces on the blade, on the toe. So here we go, boys. This is how I'm gonna tape my stick. I usually do maybe half blade, not even, like this. Oops, sorry, rough hand. Do it like that. Sorry, I did it. So I'll show you guys. This is how I do. Leave it about this much. So here we go. Take it. When I take my sticks, I put a lot of time in it. I'm just not someone who just does a couple of laps around it. I take a lot of pride in my taping, in my sticks. I really like them. You need them, so taping. I don't know why I'm using this stick, guys. Just for a taping video. Since all my other ones are taped, this was the only one, so I wasn't gonna bother untaping the other one and taping it for a video. So almost done here. Just finishing up these last couple of turns around the blade. There we go. Last few turns. There we go. Wait, there. 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 And there. I'll cut this. Right. Show you up this guys. Just trying to make it good. Oh, see, you got a dent in there, or a crease. Sorry about that. Oh, whatever. I'll have a little bit of that. Alright. Now, boys, this is my tape job for my blade. It's not that good. I did it pretty quick, but I don't really care. So after that, if you don't really like the way it looks on the sides, just chop it off like I do. I do it like that just to fix it up a bit. So that's the blade. Show you a quick view of that. Pretty nice. Alright, now for the knob. I do long knobs. I usually have grip tape with me and tape it, but I don't have it right now, so I'm not gonna bother getting it. So for here, I do a slight knob, a really small knob. Maybe like 5, 6, 6, 7 times around. I don't. I don't like big knobs. I find it just ruins. I don't find it just ruins your grip. So I just do little short ones or little small ones. That shit off. So there's that. Knob's done. So here we go. Now I'm taping the real knob. So I usually go down to about here, maybe the Reebok, the beginning of the R. Really long knobs, but I like it like that. So here we go. Just do a quick one. So I usually have blue or black grip tape with me to do the knobs, but I don't have it right now, so I'm not gonna bother going and getting it. So. Running out of tape here. I'm gonna go down to the R right here. And then my knob. As you can see, it's a pretty long knob. And there you go, boys. Here's my video of taping my stick. So for more videos, rate, comment, and subscribe, and peace.